Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the phone, unlock it, connect to Wi-Fi, and make sure you know the Google password or have recovery options ready. Once prepared, open Settings and go to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Android lists every signed-in account. If you use a screen lock or work profile, make sure you can access them now. You do this first so removal proceeds smoothly and won't trigger unexpected reauthentication or data loss later. You now tap the Google account entry you intend to remove and review synced items so you understand what will disappear. Next, tap Remove Account or open the three-dot menu and choose Remove Account. The device asks for your lock screen PIN or Google password to confirm. Enter credentials, then let Android stop sync and clear cached data. Once done, verify the account no longer appears in Accounts and check Calendar, Contacts, and Drive to ensure local copies were removed or you finish by restarting the phone and rechecking settings to confirm the Google account is gone from Accounts and from Google apps like Play Store, Gmail, and Photos. If apps still show the account, open the app settings and sign out or clear app data for Google Play and services. If removal fails due to device protection, sign in with the original Google credentials or consider a factory reset as a last resort. However, make sure you backed up important data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.